What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy. So I need your help on this one. I picked up these wireless headphones, blackweb, called wireless neckband earbuds. Now, I never heard of these, don't know nothing about them, but they was $30, and I needed some wireless headphones. So I'm tired walking around with them cord headphones with Apple. Then I gotta take the adapter and all that stuff. I need to be wireless free, So I'm trying these outside these workout, but I need your help on these. If y'all have experience with these headphones or know anything about them, leave in the comment. Leave in the comment for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to do a quick unboxing here and just see what's in the box, and then I guess I'll put these on the charger and charge them up for a while and link them up to my phone and see how they do. So what we got here, blackweb wireless neckband earbuds, soft silicone neckband with magnetic earbuds. You got built-in microphone, vibrating alerts, 12-hour battery life. Now, 12 hours really ain't enough for me because I work more than 12 hours sometimes. Not lately, but sometimes I do, and I might have to recharge it, but we'll see how that work out. But anyway, so I guess it's all the goodies you get inside, the different earbud gels. You can adjust this, fix the size that fits your ears. Yeah. So I guess let's see what this say. So yeah, Google Assistant. Yeah. By the way, I'm using the Model E5 Super to record this. Now, the thing about this, I don't have Wi-Fi, or the Wi-Fi that's in this hotel kind of sucks. I'm going to attempt to use it to upload this video. If not, I'm going to have to upload it with my network, and that's going to depreciate the resolution quality of the video. So hopefully the video will look good on when I upload it. But anyway, I picked this up from Walmart, and look like this about all the stuff we're gonna get. All this information, yeah, look like that's about it. Alright, so let me pause this and see if I can pop this open. I'll be right back. Alright, I was able to get it off without ripping the outside cover, because I got 15 days to mess around with this thing and see if I like them. If I don't, then I get to return them. So 15 days is all I get. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. There we go. Whoa, for a minute I thought these joints wasn't even in there. So just a cover. Okay, this is a micro USB charging cable. Because these the earbuds here, and these the other ones. This is, let's see, just some information here. Get some, yeah, okay. Alright, well, look like that's all that come in the box besides the headphones themselves. See if I take these out with one hand. Lord, that's going to give me some problems. I better not do that, because I don't want to break these jokers. So, alright, this is going to conclude the unboxing. And, like I said, if y'all got experience with these headphones, please put them in the comments. Let me know, so I can take these joints back if they ain't no good. If they do work out for me, I will let you know. So, it's a short unboxing of these blackweb wireless neckband earbuds. And, yeah, rate, please comment, please subscribe. Peace.